Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a small online haul and just gonna do a little bit of chit-chatting. I was on my way home from work yesterday, and sometimes I will go ahead and just turn on YouTube while I'm driving, because sometimes it takes me 40 minutes or so to get home, depending on traffic. But anyway, HSN just happened to be on. Actually, specifically Anna Griffin. Oh my gosh, I knew it. I knew it the minute I got the Cricut Maker that they were going to come out with another color. You guys, I think I'm going to return my Cricut Maker. I know, I just did this unboxing video. There was a reason why I was holding off on getting the Cricut Maker, and one of the big reasons was because I wanted a different color. I wasn't that crazy impressed with the color that they came out with. I don't know why. There's nothing wrong with it. It's white, and you know, the original is white and champagne gold on the top. I do love the champagne gold. I just didn't like the gray on the bottom. I don't know why that bothered me so much. And I knew they were going to come out with all kinds of different colors later on, so I was waiting. But I kind of lost sight of that when I purchased my Cricut Maker. And here it is, just a few days later, Anna Griffin comes out with a rosé colored, or she called it a rose colored Cricut Maker. Oh my gosh. I know I'm not going to be happy with my Cricut Maker. So I'm going to have to break the news to my husband that I have to return it. It's not available, I think, until July 11th, or at least that's when they're launching this new Cricut Maker on HSN. So if you're interested, yeah, stay tuned. Now, my understanding is it's a bundle too, and it comes with all of the accessories. It comes with the blades, you know, the deep blade. I don't know what it's called, but it's the one that cuts the really thick material. There is a scoring tool now, which I did not even know about. And there's two of them too. There's one that just scores one line, and there's one that is a double scoring tool, I think they call it, or double scoring, so that you can create boxes. I mean, oh my gosh. So here's the good news, is if you have a Cricut Maker and, you know, you obviously can't get another Cricut Maker, they are going to come out with just the tools as a bundle. That is what Anna Griffin said. So, so there's that. But you guys, I want the pink one. And Genevieve is shaking her head. I was telling her this morning, and she's like, Mom, really? But I know I'm not going to be happy with my Cricut Maker, and I haven't even used it yet. Okay, I've just done an unboxing, and the reason is because I logged into Cricut.com, and I do have an account with them because I've earned points getting cartridges in the past, and I've gotten like free stuff. Well, you know, because you earn points. And but my account isn't my password is not working, and I have emailed Cricut.com and they have not responded. It's been a couple of days, I think. So I haven't done anything with my Cricut Maker because I can't even log in right now. So I haven't used it. So I'm hoping I can still return it because I want the other one. Anyway, I'm sorry for the chit chat. Yeah, fast forward to, I will leave a thing, a little something on the description box, because if you don't want to hear my whining, you can fast forward to 4 minutes and 30 some seconds. And that's when my haul is going to start. Okay, Scrapbookcom has sales going on right now. They sent me this flyer. I thought I'd share. Scrapbook.com has a code, EchoPark5, to get 5% off Cartabella. I'm not affiliated with Scrapbookcom, okay? I like them. They have good deals and they ship fast. I got a couple of tonic dyes and I had to get this one, you guys. I am, this is kind of a sneak announcement, but a friend of mine is going to be hosting a hop. I had never been asked to join a, well, I think I was asked a couple of times to join a hop. I take that back, but I couldn't join at that time because I had other commitments and I was just too busy with work stuff. Anyway, my friend has been thinking about doing this hop for a while now, like a while, and she finally is doing it, and it's a Christmas in July. So anyway, I saw this Santa die and I had to have it. How adorable is this Santa? This is the actual size, 3.1 by 4 inch. It's called Jolly Santa by Tonic, and I love it. It's a Rococo die. Then I fell in love with this one too. There's a few of them that I wanted, but I knew I couldn't get too many. This is a Christmas banner. I just think it's so cute. It says reduced size, so this is not the actual size. Kind of looks almost like it though. It's just a tiny bit smaller, I think. But I like the way it looks. And it says Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas. And then I got a freebie, and that was one of the reasons why I wanted to get a couple of dies, was because you get a freebie if you make a purchase. And this is called a dot drop die. It creates a perfect guide for accurate Nouveau drop placement. So you see the little dots. It actually creates those little dots for you. It like embosses it, and then you know where to put your dots. Isn't that cool? I've kind of wanted to play with my Nouveau dots, but I just haven't. So yeah, I am going to do that. My Nouveau drops is what I meant. Okay, and then I shopped again from one of my favorite Etsy store called Perry and Arts and Things. And it is Perry and Maddie, who are the owners, and awesome customer service. Their stuff goes fast, you guys. So when I order, sometimes I'll order, you know, one day and then I'll find something else, I'll order another day, and of course I'm paying shipping, but I asked them if, you know, since they hadn't shipped, to combine my orders, and they did. So it all kind of came in one package, so yay. All right, and they were going to refund me. I mean, how cool is that, right? They're going to refund me my shipping costs my extra shipping that I paid for. Okay, anyway, they had the celebrations. It's been there for a long time. The Spellbinders die by Richard Garay. It creates a cone. And I was never really that interested in it, but I want to make something. I'm not going to say now because, well, I want to make something. You guys know it's going to be a snow cone. So I got it, and it was super cheap. I can't even remember how much it is, but I want to say it was like $3. I don't know. It was not very expensive. I got this unicorn die. I had seen die. It's a die and embossing folder. I know I have a unicorn die already, but it was inexpensive, and I really like the stars and little hearts embossing folder. That's mainly why I got it for. And it happens to come with a unicorn die, so why not? I got that. I've been forever looking at this die set, stamp and die set too, from Hero Arts. I like that you get 2 different unicorn stamps, and they're teeny tiny. So I figured, you know, this would be great to use for toppers because they're small. I don't know, I just like it. And it comes with sentiments. It comes with all these cutesy little itty bitty stamps. I don't know. I have to play with it. And I like the look of the unicorn. It's actually very cute. So I got that. I got one of these. I don't know if I have one already, but I want to say I don't. and it's that deer head, and I wanted a punch, but I never found the punch. I think Hobby Lobby had one. So anyway, I saw it. I wanted it. I like the leaves too right here. And Christmas is just around the corner, you guys, so I had to get it. And I got a freebie. Look at this, die cut notelets. I mean, they're just so awesome. How cute is that? It's vintage, so if ever I go back to doing some vintage projects, I will definitely use it. It's pretty. It doesn't have to be just vintage for vintage projects. Actually, shabby too. But it's free. See? They're so nice. Okay, and then, okay, I've been forever wanting this ever since she launched this on HSN, but I didn't get it. I got a few, just a few, because they were such a great price. I decided to go with her instead of a different vendor. I just got a few things from the Vintage Tea Party. I mean, it's tea party themed. I have to get it. Yeah, I missed out on this other bundle that I kind of wanted, but at that time I was trying not to spend. Yeah, right. Anyway, Crafter's Companion, super cute. This one is called Made with Love. And as you can see, it's a mason jar with, how cute are these itty bitty, what are these? Tags. I had to get another cupcake die. I know, I have cupcake dies already. And a punch. But this one is very intricate. I love it. And I don't know, I just love it. And it, you know, it goes with the collection. So it's called Cherry Cupcake. I had to get the stamp Tea for Two. I really like that tea. How cute, right? And then I got the Doily Delights. I do have one doily, but I think this one's bigger, a doily embossing folder, but this one's bigger. And of course a different design, and it's part of the collection, so I had to grab it. Yeah, so thank you, Perry and Maddie. I love your store, and I love everything that you guys sell. I mean, it's amazing. I love their stuff. It's a lot. I get dizzy when I'm looking through your store. Okay, guys, so that is my haul and stamp dies. My haul and stamp. My die and haul. Oh my God, I can't talk. My die haul. Let's just leave it at that. I think I'm still upset about the Cricut Maker. Anyway, thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.